The story follows a self-made entrepreneur who turned a humble workshop into a data-driven empire through relentless curiosity. Facing crushing debt and sleepless nights, they sketched out experiments, learned from failures, and treated every setback as a blueprint. A breakthrough came when a late-night prototype merged frugal design with scalable software, cutting costs while expanding reach. Their impact echoed across the industry as missions shifted toward accessibility, mentorship, and transparent reinvestment in budding founders. Lessons learned centered on persistence, customer obsession, and turning curiosity into concrete opportunities that elevate others along the ascent.